Hello everyone, this is Tikesh Gupta. I am going to present a seminar presentation on the topic of application of laser in highway engineering. So this is the table of content. In our first slide, first we know about the what is laser. Laser is a device that emits a beam of a coherent light through an optical amplification process. Next, the properties of laser. First, monochromatic. It means the light emitted by the laser have one wavelength. Next, unidirectional. The light emitted by the laser have highly directional. Next, coherent. The light are in phase in space and time. Next, portable. Due to of its small size, it can carried anywhere as needed. Next, detect moving object. The laser can detect the speed of any moving object. Next, works outside exposed to the sunlight. Due to the high intensity of laser lights, it can be used in anywhere, even in exposed to the sunlight. So in next slide, introduction. There is a growing need of strategic management of national roadway network to preserve the large capital investment. Prevent management activities require accurate, fast and cost effective pavement test techniques to record current status of pavement structure in rapid manner. Laser techniques has characteristic of high accuracy, high resolution and repeatability, and has high used in range finding. So in the next slide, there is a four application of lasers. The first one, road profiling. The road profile is the shape of the road in vertical plane along the reference line. The road profile can taken along a lateral line demonstrate the elevation and crown of the road, also in addition rutting and different problems. The longitudinal profile demonstrates the roughness, texture and grade of the pavement. The profilometer is the instrument which is used to measure the surface profile. As we see in the figure, the first one, the laser is mounted on the vehicle which used for detection of cracks on the road. So in the next slide, the laser-based road surface profiler. The system consists of several components: laser sensor, scanner or moving platform, control and data processing unit, GPS and power supply. All these components work together to gather the information. These components work together to capture detailed information about road surface, allowing for assessment of pavement condition, identifying defect and adding in road maintenance and construction projects. So in the next slide, we see the second application of laser, pavement deflection surface. Deflection is an important criteria for pavement structural layer stiffness and subgrade. Thus, many characteristics of flexible pavement can be determined by measuring its deflection in response of load. The pavement surface deflection is measured by using rolling wheel deflectometer. The rolling wheel deflectometer is constructed using a specially designed tractor trailer which is 53 feet long trailer and is loaded to 18,000 pounds to measure pavement surface deflection at traffic speed and the characterized the load carrying capacity service of load. The rolling wheel deflectometer measures the wheel deflection at the pavement surveyed by means of specially coincide method. In next slide, we see the specially coincide method. The as the rolling wheel deflectometer travels on the top of the pavement, the triangulation lasers mounted on a 25.5 feet aluminum beam and placed at every 8 feet interval are used to measure the surface deflection. The beam is mounted on the right side of the trailer, which is the weakest location of the pavement structure. The three spots laser are placed in front of loaded wheel and one laser is placed directly top of the dual assembly tire, which measures the deflection on the surface. The sensor are set to collect the reading at fixed interval of every 0.6 inches of the truck speed. The upgrade system has 0.4-inch measurement deflection with the accuracy of plus minus 1 inches. As we see in the picture, there is a trailer and aluminum beam. In aluminum beam, there is a laser mounted on every 8 feet interval. So in the next slide, bridge deflection. To detect the performance of bridge, it usually needs to determine the deflection of key parts of it. The deformation is caused by change of natural condition and long-term load, even overload. It may be bring damage when exceeds the certain threshold. The deflection measurement system is composed of laser emitter, laser receiver and upper computer. The laser beam should be long-term stability, anti-interference, high positioning accuracy. The working of laser in detecting the work deflection. Laser projects a fixed laser screen. Laser image will be sampled by CCD and sent to the MCU. The laser spots it's formed in the imaging and it is processed by digital image processing technology. The coordinate of center of laser spot will be calculated. To reduce measurement error, this study introduced tilt sensor to measure the angle of the laser emitter. So in the next slide, we see the box diagram of the instrument used for detection or deflection of bridge. There is some advantages of laser system in calculation of bridge deflection. It measures the bridge deflection from a range up to 30 meter. A computer controlled scanning system controls the laser and allows the system to scan a large area of a structure. Measurement resolution of less than 1 mm is possible in this system. No special target of surface preparation is required. So in the next slide, the another application of laser speed checker. The laser system basically comprise two laser transmitter sensor pairs which are installed on highway 100 meters apart with the transmitter and the LDR sensor of each pair on the opposite side of the road. The system displays the time taken by vehicle in crossing this 100-meter distance from one pair to the other with the resolution of 0.1 second, from which the speed of vehicle can be calculated. The speed checker checks the speed only one vehicle at the one time. The next slide, the speed gun. The laser speed shot a very short burst of a laser light and then waits for it reflected back from the vehicle. The gun counts the number of nanoseconds it takes for round trip, and by dividing by 2 it calculated the distance of car and the speed of the vehicle. In the next slide, as we see the advantages of the using laser in highway engineering. The first advantages is laser based system can measure road profile and deflection accurately while traveling at normal speed. Its result is rapid measurement and quick data collection. Multiple location can be measured from a single instrument position. It does not require any setup or breakdown. This can be fitted on any vehicle required by the user. It can operate at the speed of 105 km per hour. It collects data in real time as it traverses the pavement surfaces. It eliminates the need of lane closure of the traffic control while testing. In next slide, we see the case study first. Improving road safety through AI-enabled road detection in Dubai. Dubai Road and Transport Authority has pointed the use of advanced AI technology to enhance road safety and maintain the city's extensive road network. The main objective of this study: identify the address and roads defects efficiently to reduce risks, enhance the road safety by employing AI driven system capable to detecting cracks as small 1 mm, increase the pace of road maintenance and repair using innovative technology aiming to complete maintenance of 168 lane kilometer in a year. The technology used in this case study: device device description. The innovative system comprises high resolution cameras and laser scanning capabilities utilizing advanced sensor and AI algorithm. The functionality: operating without human, the system scans the road surface instantly, detecting various defects such as crack and analyzing parameters like width, depth, and location. Data processing: the real-time data captured by AI algorithm generates the comprehensive report for RTA engineers, adding to prioritizing and planning repairs for resurfacing projects. In next slide, we see the impact. Enhanced safety. The technology identifies the address in minute of cracks, essential for maintaining road integrity and ensuring road user safety. Increased efficiency. With the ability to scan Dubai roads network once every 2 years, the RTA aims to cover the vast 18,765 lanes, thereby identifying defects comprehensively. Predictive maintenance. The system predicts the future maintenance need, contributing to an improved pavement quality index of 95% and aiding in the formulation of future maintenance plan of roads. Cost reduction. Earlier detection and repair of defects aim to extend road infrastructure lifespan, reducing overall maintenance cost for the RTA. Conclusion: Dubai's Road Transport Authority adopting of an AI-enabled road detection represents a groundbreaking approach to enhancing road safety, optimizing maintenance, and ensure the longevity of the city intensive road infrastructure. This innovative system sets a precedent of forties and the protective road management globally. The next case study: laser scanning of highway maintenance. The location of this case study is United States and various states and highways. Technology used in this survey: high precision laser scanner mounted on a vehicle for detailed road surface assessment. The scanning of highway to detect cracks, potholes, surface irregularity with high accuracy. The data collected by the survey: gathering comprehensive data of road condition and defect using laser scanning technology. Impact: efficient identification of defect, enabling timely maintenance to repair to enhance the road safety and reduce accidents. The result: improved maintenance, early detection of defect, protective maintenance, minimizing the occurrence of potholes and ensuring smoother road surfaces. Enhance safety, reduce risks of by addressing road defects promptly, thus decreasing accident related to poor road condition. Cost saving, preventing extensive damage by detecting issue early, result in cost saving in repair the road projects. Next slide, case study third: lidar technology of highway construction and planning. Utilize LiDAR technology to improve the construction and planning of highways. Location India and various highway construction project. Technology used in this planning. LiDAR means the light deflection and ranging technology for accurate surveying and mapping. Under this study, the processes conducting LiDAR surveys of precise technology mapping, right of way study, and underground utility mapping. Benefits providing comprehensive and accurate data for effective highway construction planning and design. The result enhancing planning. Accurate topographic data enable precise alignment planning, reducing error in right of way determining. Efficient construction identifying undergo utilizes minimum errors and delays during construction. Reduce cost, avoid design error and clashes lead to cost saving by minimizing rework and alteration during constructions. In next slide and last, the conclusion of our seminar. The laser system has several advantages over a traditional instrument in highway engineering. The laser based road profile measuring system are not contact type system capable of measuring road profile and road deflection, normally traffic speed. Pavement deflection measurement at traffic speed results in quick data collection without compromising safety of the traveling of the public. The system is quick to set up and results are produced immediately after measurement. Since no targets are required for the laser system, access to difficult to reach areas under the bridge is necessary. Also, laser has fewer source is interference and has better ability to detect decelerating vehicles. Thank you so much.